Now let us look at the second example on the addition and subtraction of surds. Now in this question we are asked to simplify 5 root of 12 minus 3 root of 18 plus 4 root of 72 plus 2 root of 75. Like as I said earlier, we will need to express them in their basic forms so that we can be able to add and subtract the similar surds. So if we are going to look at this now, we are going to have our equal to sign here. So looking at this now, we have to express 12 in its basic form. Now the perfect square that can divide 12 is what? Is 4. So we are going to have it as 5 root of 4 times 3. Then minus 3 root of 18 is what? 9 times 2. Then plus we have 4. 72 is 36 times 2. Then plus we have 2. Then 75 is 25 times 3. So if we go ahead, now square root of 4 is what? Is 2. So that 2 now will be multiplied by what? By 5. So that means 5 times 2 will give us what? 10. So here we are going to have 10 root of 3 minus square root of 9 is 3. So that 3 will also be multiplied by the 3 outside. So 3 times 3 will give us what? 9. So we are going to have 9 root of what? 2 plus square root of 36 is 6. So 6 times the 4 outside will give us what? 24 root of 2. And then plus square root of 25 is what? Is 5. So 5 times 2 will give us what? 10 root of 3. Now, looking at this now, you discover that the first number here and the last number here, they are what? Similar surd because they have the same number, which is 3, under the square root sign. While the two middle numbers are what? Similar surd because they have the what? Number, they have 2 under the what? Square root sign. So if we are to bring them together now, we are going to have 10 root of 3 plus 10 root of 3. And if we are to rearrange the middle ones, we should have 24 root of 2 minus 9 root of 2. And just like I said in our last video, we don't add the numbers under the what? The square root signs. So all we add are the numbers what? Outside. So that means we are going to have 10 plus 10 will give us what? 20 root 3. And then we have our plus. Now 24 minus 9 will give us what? 15 root 2. So this is how you solve questions on addition and subtraction of what? Of surd. And if you look at our last answer here, there's no how we can be able to what? To add them because they are not similar surd. So now bring us to the end of addition and subtraction of what? Of surds. And if you have any question that you want us to attend to, please you can drop the question in the comment section. So we'll pick it up from there and then we'll do a video on it to explain it further. So in our next video, we're now going to look at the next aspect, which is the multiplication of surd. See you in the next video.